Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Bagunara, how are you guys doing? Good morning, everyone. I hope you are having fun at your home. You are munchy at your home, chilling, enjoying. This is the best time to have fun at your home because when the classes will start, you have to come here. You will get engaged. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Very good morning. Namaste वाला नहीं आया कोई अभी. I think so many members don't know the class is at this time. The class timing has changed. So that is why Namaste, Namaskaram, Namaste. Very good morning. Slowly, members are joining. Okay. Namaste, Namaste. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Have a great morning. Great morning, good morning. Okay. So, beta, tell me what we have studied yesterday. What we have studied, beta, yesterday. We have studied yesterday differentiation. In differentiation, various rules we have studied, right? First rule, addition, subtraction, then multiplication, then division. So, and then the formulas of trigonometries, right? Exponential, logarithm, right? So now here we are going to do one or two problems based upon the multiplication that we have studied yesterday, right? So what we are going to do here in the question number 1, again I'm writing the formula that you have already written. The formula is something like this: d by dx of u dot b, and the formula was first function as it is into differentiation of second function db by dx plus second function as it is into differentiation of first function. I hope you remember this formula. I hope you remember this formula, beta, right? So I will ask a question based on it. Very simple question we are having. I hope you will be able to do that question. D by dx of x sine x. Tell me the answer of this question. Very simple, I have asked. Then I'll move to the next thing. Very important thing today I have to teach. So that is why, tell me, what will I get here? How will I do this? What will be the answer of this? Beta, it is not sine x. It is x and sine x. Two functions are there. There are two functions. You can assume this to be u. This is your u. And this sine x is your v. Apply this formula here. That is why. Tell me correct answer. Everyone, fast. Try to do. Then you will be able to do the questions in the exams also. Do this question fast. X cos x, cos x. No beta, cos x sin x. No, Telangana is not the answer. X cos x plus sin x. Somebody has written x cos x plus sin x. Hope so this will be the correct answer. Okay, x cos x plus sin x, x cos x plus sin x, x cos x sin x, x cos x. So many answers you are getting. So here what you have to do, you have to write this formula in u. You are having beta what? X, right? First function as it is into differentiation of second function. Differentiation of second function. So in that what will happen? Second function we are having sine x plus second function, that is sine x as it is, into differentiation of first function. What was my first function? That was x. So now tell me the differentiation of beta Sin x, what is the differentiation of sin x you will get? What is the differentiation of this sin x? Last class I have told you that is cos x. So answer you will get x cos x plus sin x. What is the differentiation of x? This will be 1. So answer you will get sin x. I hope this is very clear to everyone and very easy. Isn't it easy? Give me thumbs up. If you felt it is easy, give me thumbs up. For everyone it is clear and easy. Give me thumbs up. Very good, very good, very good. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Okay. So then next question, one more easy question I will ask. I hope you will be able to do that question. I will not ask difficult question from you guys. Question number 2 is something like this. D by dx into cos x divided by x square. Tell me the answer of this. Now this time, which formula will come into picture? What is the formula? What is the formula will come into picture? What is the formula will come into picture here, beta? So here the formula will be, you will be having formula of u and v, right? And then this is your u and this is your v. So what is the answer you will get here? What is the formula for u by v? This time here it was first function. In the above it was first function. Here which function will be there? Second function, as it is into differentiation of first function v du upon dx minus of u dv by dx. I hope this is clear. And divided by v square. Now apply here this formula. Apply this formula. What is v here? X square. V here is x square. And then into du upon dx. Whose the differentiation I have to write? D by dx of cos x minus u is what? Cos x into d by dx of beta whom? V. V is your x square divided by v square. And what is my v? That is x square ka whole square. X square is a square. So what is the answer I will get here? What is the answer I will get here? What is the differentiation of cos x, beta? The differentiation of cos x will be minus sin x. So this answer will comes out to be minus x square sin x. I hope this is clear. Cos x differentiation will be minus sin x. And then what is the differentiation of x square? What is the differentiation of x square? Differentiation of x square will be 2x cos x divided by x power 4. X square whole square will be x power 4. Very good. So I hope this is also clear to everyone. This is also, so these are the questions which we can practice based upon multiplication and division. Now beta, listen here carefully. The next question that I'm going to ask is very, very important. I hope you might have seen this kind of, formula or this kind of scenario might be in real life. So the question is something like this. This is a statement kind of question. Differentiation question is related with the statement kind of thing also. So what is the question you are having? Listen it carefully. Question is saying something like this. I don't know whether you have seen it or not. Sometime in your childhood days, sometime we used to put an ink on a paper. So what used to happen? That ink used to spread in all the directions, right? In circular manner. If I pour a ink, so if ink will be falling on my clothes, what will happen? It will expand, right? So it will not expand in linear direction. It will expand in the circular direction. Circles will form, stains, right? So in similar manner, the question is that the area of the circle, a circle will form, the area of the circle is given by area is equal to 3t square plus 5. It is depending upon time, meter square. The area is depending on the time, and this is the unit of your area, where the area of circle is given by this, where t is in seconds, time is in seconds. What you have to find the rate of increase of area of circle. Find the rate of increase of area of circle at t is equal to 2 seconds. You have to find it at 2 seconds. You have to find it at 2 seconds. So can you do this question, beta? Everyone, the area of circle is depending upon time. The area of circle is depending on time. Beta, one thing I want to request to all the members, those who are attending the class, please try to answer the questions. Please don't try to chat with yourself. I request all the students, please focus on the questions and tell me the answer of this question if you know. If you don't know, please listen it carefully. This is very, very important question, and this is the question which is actually use the differentiation, right? Use the differentiation. So that is why application of differentiation it is using, right? 12, so many members are answering 12 second, but the answer will not be 12 second. Okay, fine. Okay, so beta see here. Now area is given by this formula, that is, it is depending 3t square plus 5. This is my area. See, your area is basically depending upon time. Now if I want to find the rate, so area is not constant, area is depending upon time. Let's say I am having time 0. At time 0, what is my area? 5. At time is equal to 1 second, what will be my area? Time will be 3 into 1 plus 5, 8. So area is increasing. As the time is increasing, your area is also increasing. I have to find the rate. So to find the rate, what do I have to do? Simply differentiate. So it will be dA divided by dt, right? So dA divided by dt will become 3. Now what is the differentiation of t square, beta? T square differentiation, power will come forward 2, and how much I have to subtract from power? 1. So it will become 2t. Plus what is the differentiation of 5, beta? Okay, again I am writing like this only one time, not again I will write. I have to differentiate both 3t square plus 5 like this, right? So what is the differentiation of this I will get? 3 is constant, differentiation of 2t square is 2t, plus differentiation of 5 is 0. So that is why what answer I am getting? dA by dt is equal to this. And if I further solve it, what is the rate I am getting? The rate of change of area is given by 60. Now this is also depending upon time. This is also depending upon time. But at what time he is asking? The rate of increase of area. So therefore, he is asking, beta, at t is equals to 2 seconds. At what time he is asking? When the time is 2 seconds. We have to find this rate, dA by dt. So its answer, put the t value. So what answer will get? dA by dt is equals to 6 into 2. So what is the answer you are getting? 12. Now what is the unit? So unit, beta, this. What is this? Area. meter square. And what is this? Second. So this will be meter square per second. This is the unit of rate of change of area, or rate of. So I can call it as rate of change, or I can call it as rate of increase, because in this question area was increasing or area was decreasing, because area was increasing. This is the way. Area written, differentiating, after differentiation, this I got, put the value, I got the answer. Is it clear to everyone? Give me thumbs up if you understood this. Give me thumbs up, then I'll ask one more question like this. Tell me everyone. Very good, very good, very good. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Now here there is another kind of differentiation which is utilized sometime when the variable is not same. So we have to use like this chain rule. There is a chain rule. Sometime beta we have to use this chain rule. And why do we have to use this chain rule? Yesterday I have used this chain rule without letting you the name of this. Yesterday I have told you this rule like this when I have taught you this. D by dx of sine 2x plus 5. Yesterday we have used na beta. What happened here? What was the differentiation of sine 2x plus 5? Sine cos 2x plus 5. And then what you have done? After that beta, you have redifferentiated. Remember redifferentiation 2x plus 5? This is basically a chain rule. So that is why yesterday I have told you this without letting you the name. Why I am today telling? Because sometime you can get confused, sir, you have not tell chain rule. So how do we use this chain rule like this? For example, if earlier we were writing d, your function was this, y is equal to x square plus x. So here y was depending on whom? Y was depending on whom? Directly x. So that is why it was very simple for us to find differentiation, d by dx, right? Because y is function of x. Now here what is the problem? Sometime what happened? The y is depending on x, but he wants the differentiation with respect to, let's say, t, dy upon dt. Now the problem is that whatever the function that I'm writing in the bracket, it is x and it is t, both are not same. So how will I do the differentiation here? So very simple. Because differentiation formula, when I have taught you differentiation formula, when this variable and in the bracket variable both must be same. This was the formula I am having. X power n. Same na xx. Now it could be x cube. It could be x square or x square plus x. So from here, this variable and this variable is same. So differentiation is very easy. Directly I can do. But the problem here is t variable and here is x variable. Now how will I get the answer? So here I will play a very smart role. What smart role I will do? I will do it this. I will do this now. Because differentiation calculation is very easy when I am having this. When I can multiply here dx and I can also divide by dx. Is there any problem it is creating? No. You will say, sir, no. Now whose differentiation finding is very easy? Its differentiation finding is very easy. Right? So I can rearrange this equation. I can write it like this: d into x square plus x divided by dx. Now what I'm left with? Dx by dt. So this is the differentiation of this function with respect to, if for example I am having a function beta y is equal to x square plus x. What I am having function? Y is equal to x square plus x. Till yesterday class we were only calculating dy upon dx. We were only calculating dy upon dx, in which y was depending on x. This is easy to find. But here the examiner changed the game. And what game he changed? He given other random variable, t variable. So you have to find dy by dt. Now how will you find dy by dt? So we have done a very smart game. What we have done, we have multiplied and divided by dx and dx. You can also cancel it out. You can again cancel it out like this. It will not create any problem. It will remain same. So what I did, I utilized this dx and this, because I know its differentiation is easy to find. When the variable down and this is same, differentiation is easy to find. And what I'm left with the in end, dx by dt. So that is why on the behalf of this, now I will make a chain formula here. So for example, the chain formula says, if you want to find dy upon, let's say, dt, I'm just keeping it the same. So how I will write it? I will write it like dy upon dx into dx by dt. This is how you can write. This is the chain formula that you are having. Now I am going to remove the example that I have already given to you. So I am removing this. We will do a question based on it. So then you will come to know. This is the formula I am writing for a chain formula in which your y is whose function? Your y is function of x, right? And you want to differentiate y with what? With another variable t. Okay? Now I will ask a question based on it, how to do the question based on it. Okay, beta? Let's see how to do the question based on it. Very simple to do the question based on it. Let's say if somebody will ask you question like this, find the differentiation of this x cube plus x square. Now how will you find? Because sir, you have not taught the formula, you have to make the variable same, right? You have to find this, so you have to use a chain formula here. So what do I have to do? What can I do? Let's say this is my y, this is my y is equal to x cube plus x square. So what I'm gonna do here, this is dt into x cube plus x square, right? And multiply by dx divided by dx. So if I rearrange, what answer I'll get? I will get d by dx of x cube plus x square into dx divided by dt. What I did? Just dx I multiplied. Same what I have did earlier. So I utilized this. I have utilized this. What I'm left with? Dx by dt. Now tell me, do I know the differentiation of this or not? Do I know the differentiation of this or not? Yes, sir, we know. So what will be the answer I'll get? What is the answer we will get? X cube 3x square plus 2x, and what we are left with? Dx by dt. Dx by dt. Now how we will find this dx by dt? When we know the relationship between x and t. When we will know the relationship between x and t. So let's say in the question he has mentioned x is function of t like this. X is depending upon t is like this. T plus 5. So what is the answer of, or 2t plus 5? Then what is the answer of dx by dt you will get? If you differentiate this, what answer of 2t you will get, beta? 2t answer will be 2 plus 0. What is the value of dx by dt you are getting? 2. Now put this value here, you will get the answer. So this is how, when your y, this was your y, this was your y, this was your y. You could have written this question like this. Question number 1, y is equal to x cube plus x square. Then find this dy upon dt. This is how you can solve. where y is depending upon x and your x is depending upon what? T. X is equal to 2t plus 5. And why I am telling this? Because we are going to do a question based on it. So this is how we solve the chain formula. It is not required too much. Very few times it is required. So I hope you understood this, how to do this. And we can put this value to what answer I'll get in the final. 3x square plus 2x into what is the value of dx by dt. I have to put here 2. This is the final answer of d by upon dt. So you can see there y is x cube plus x square. X cube plus x square variable are different. Variables are different. This is the way of solving it. This is the way of using the chain rule. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Give me thumbs up. Clear? Clear? Then I will ask one more question based on it. I will ask one more question based on it. Very good. Now I will ask a very good question based on it. Very simple question. I will ask question number 1. I don't know whether you will be able to do this question or not. It is a good question that I am going to discuss. Okay. So let me ask from you first in a simple manner. Simple manner it will be, you have to find, let's say y is your, or I'll make it in the form of this. Let's say area is equal to a. I have written a function. It is y is equal to x square plus 2x. Right? This is your y. And what you have to find? Find dy by dt if your x is equal to 4t plus 5. Tell me the value of dy by dt. Your y is x square plus 2x. Find dy by dt if x is equal to 4t plus 5. Tell me the answer of this, beta. How to do this? Use here chain rule. Use here chain rule. Try to do, everyone. What is the first step? First step, what he's asking? Write this first step. Dy upon dt. In the next step, what do we have to do? D by dt into, put the value of y. What is the value of y you are having? What is y? X square plus 2x. Does my variable matching? This variable and this variable. One bracket in the variable and one in the with which we are differentiating. Does these variable matching? No, sir. If the variables are not matching, can I do the direct differentiation? No, sir. I have to use a which rule here? Which rule here? Chain rule. So to use the chain rule, what do I have to multiply here? What do I have to multiply here? Dx and dx. Dx and dx. Is there any problem? No. Then what I'm going to do? I'm going to utilize this. What it will become? It will become d upon dx of whom? X square plus 2x. So my variables are matching here. Here x, here also x. But what I'm left with? What I'm left with? Dx by dt. So solve it. Solve it. What answer I will get? Solve it, beta. What answer I will get? What is the answer I will get? What is the differentiation of x square? X square differentiation will be what? What is the differentiation of x square I will get? It will be 2x plus 2. So x square differentiation will be 2x plus 2 I have got, but I have to calculate dx by dt. So what will be the value of dx by dt? X is this. This is my x. So this time x is depending upon whom? T. And here whom do I want? dx by dt. So what do I have to do? I have to differentiate this x with respect to whom? T. So beta, if I differentiate this, what is the differentiation of 4t? I will get 4. What is the differentiation of this? 0. Put here, what answer I'll get? I'll get this answer, 4. So my answer is 8x plus 8. This is my dy by dt. This is my d by dt. Very good. I hope this is clear to everyone. Give me thumbs up. Understood or not? Chain rule. How to use switch between two variables. Very good. Now I will ask a good question that I was thinking to ask from you. Okay. Question number. Now statement kind of question I will ask from you guys. How the statement kind of question comes. The radius of a sphere, is increasing at a constant rate of 3 centimeter per second. Find first rate of increase of area of sphere and second you have to find rate of increase of volume of sphere at r is equal to, when radius is you are having is, let's say, 2 centimeter. When the radius is 2 centimeter, you have to find this. This question is little bit good question. We have to use the application of differentiation here. So how to do this question? Let's see whether you will be able to answer or not. Anybody? First of all, beta, let's see what is given in the question. In the question, he's saying the radius of the sphere is, for example, you blow the air in the balloon, na? The balloon you can imagine almost like a sphere, right? So when you are blowing the air, so your balloon is expanding, so its radius is increasing with the time, with each second. How much radius is increasing with each second? 3 centimeter. So that is why beta, I request again, please don't do the chat. Continuously I am saying beside the question you are, I don't know what you guys are chatting. Please don't ask, because here our purpose is only to just study. Right? When you guys will come here, you can discuss a lot of things you guys can discuss. Right? Now see here what I was saying. With each second, your radius of the sphere is increasing by how much? 3 centimeter. So how I write the rate? Rate means dr by dt. Remember, rate of change of r with respect to t. Rate of change of differentiation. So we call it a rate of change of r with respect to t. We can call it as a increasing rate, because radius is increasing. With how much it is increasing? It is increasing 3 centimeter per second. Very good. Now first part, what is asking? The rate of change of area. First of all, everyone tell me what is the formula of area of a sphere? Area of a sphere. Area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. But did he asking the area? Does he ask area or does he ask rate of change of area? So what do I have to do? I have to differentiate here with respect to whom? I have to differentiate here with respect to whom? dA divided by dt. Okay, sir. Divide. Then next step. d by dt of what? 4 pi r square. Now what will happen? T and r, same variable or different variable? Tell me everyone, same variable or different variable? What will I do? Same variable or different variable? Sir, different variable. If variable are different, so I can't different. So which rule I have to bring here? Which rule I have to bring here, beta? Which rule? Chain rule. Now this is the application of chain rule. So dekh beta, when I will able to differentiate this r, when in the denominator variable same. So to make the variable same, I have to multiply here dr and dr. Is it okay or not okay? Now this r square will be differentiable r. So what will I do? In the next step, what will I do? Okay, and 4 pi constant. So no derivation, 4 pi will come out into d by d of whom? R square with respect to whom? With respect to r. This r square differentiation with respect to this. So I'm clubbing these two. If I'm clubbing these two, what I'm left with? I'm left with dr by dt. Yes or no? Now what is the differentiation of r square, beta? What is the differentiation of r square we are having? So dA by dt will be equals to 4 pi into, what is the differentiation of r square with respect to r? You can imagine it x square. Differentiation of x square with respect to x. Variable change. Here who's the variable? R and r. Here x and x. So what will the differentiation of r square? R square differentiation will be beta 2r into dr by dt. Now let's start putting the value. Now this is the rate of change of area or rate of increase of area. But at what radius he is asking this? When the radius of your sphere must be what? 2 centimeter. So I have to put the value. I have to put the value. So at t is equal to, oh sorry, not time, at r is equal to 2 centimeter, dA by dt will be what? Will be 8 pi into, what is the r I am having, beta? What is the r we are having? R at this moment is 2, and what is dr by dt? dr by dt, this is dr by dt, 3 centimeter per second, and it is constant. So what is the value of dr by dt given in the question? It is given 3 centimeter per second, and the unit of this 2 is also what? Centimeter. I am writing the unit, and 3 centimeter per second. I hope this is clear. Yahi tha na? Okay, what is the answer I am getting, beta? What is rate of change of area, or what is rate of increase of area? 8 into 2, 16. 16 threes are 48 pi centimeter square per second. So this is the rate with which your, in every second, how much area is increasing? 48 pi centimeter square. Imagine if you are blowing the air in each and every second, how much your area is increasing? 48 pi centimeter square. Everyone clear? Give me thumbs up. Give me thumbs up. Okay, very good. Now give me thumbs up if you understood. Now let's try the volume. Now let's try the volume. Write the formula for volume, beta. Same method. Write the formula and do the differentiation. This question is the real application of differentiation. This is the real application of differentiation. Dekh beta, those who are having little bit confusion, I know in the beginning this question can be little bit confusing for some members, little bit confusion. So now I will tell the trick with the volume. This long method we will not tell. We will do the direct 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is what, my beta? This is my volume. This is what? Volume. See here, I am explaining. Everyone, those who did not understand the area concept, let's try with the volume again. Let's try with the volume again. So in volume, what will I do? Volume formula. Everyone know the volume formula? Give me thumbs up if everyone know the volume formula of a sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. Everyone know the formula of volume 4 by 3 pi r cube. Give me thumbs up. Give me thumbs up. Very good. Here I will not apply the chain rule. Here I will tell the yesterday trick. How to solve this question with the yesterday trick without chain rule. Very good. Very simple. So dekh beta. Everyone listen it carefully. Now, when I am blowing the air inside the balloon, the size is increasing. So outer area also increasing and volume also increasing. Now volume is changing with the time. So here my volume is depending upon R. My volume is depending on R. So this is dependent function and hello. Audible beta? Hello. Now it is clear? Is it okay? Is it okay now? Okay, now it is clear. Fine. So I was saying your V was depending on R and R is depending on T, right? V depending on R and R depending on T. So in that scenario, what do we have to do? In that scenario, what do we have to do? Listen the trick. I have to differentiate volume with respect to time because volume I want to find with how much rate volume is changing. So dB by dt is equal to, if I differentiate, constant will come out 4 by 3, pi is constant and d by dt is r cube. Now here I will not waste my time in writing that, making the chain rule, right? Simple trick is that is very simple. Yesterday, like I have taught, forget about the variable. We know what is the differentiation of r cube. Since differentiation is there, so we know what is the differentiation of r cube. What is the differentiation of r cube? Simple, sir. 3r square. It is 3r square. But this differentiation will not end here. Why? Because variables are not same. Because variables are not same. So I have to redifferentiate this r again with respect to t. So it will become dr by dt. It will become dr by dt. This will again become dr by dt. Is it okay? Is it fine? So this is again the similar kind of chain rule that I have applied here. If you see here in area. In area, I have written this formula, long formula, A is equal to 4 pi r square. So what do I have to do? 4 pi constant, r square differentiation will be what? 2r. And again I have to redifferentiate this r, dr by dt. dr by dt. So that is why beta, what answer you will get here? Isn't it simple? That is why I was not telling you chain rule. But some students were saying, sir, chain rule you have not told. So it is basically a chain rule without letting you know the name. And that is looks little bit complex. I personally believe this looks very easy. Now it is okay. Earlier it was buffering. So now what happened? 4 by 3 pi constant, r cube differentiation, 3r square. If the variable not match, this again needed to be redifferentiated. Khatam. No chain rule we have to apply. So it looks difficult while applying the chain rule. Khatam game. Now what do we have to do? Put the value. So it will become 4 by 3 pi into 3. What is the r beta we are having? R 2 centimeter square and dr by dt what? 3 centimeter per second. So what is my answer? 3 cancel. Answer will be 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48. So it is also coming, I think, 48. 48 pi, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 48 centimeter cube per second. This is my dB by dt. I hope this is also clear to everyone. Now this trick is good or not to find the answer? This trick is good or not? Rather than applying so much this multiplication division, give me thumbs up if you understood. Give me thumbs up. Very good. So it is very easy. When the variables are same, let's say if I differentiate, for example, let me tell you, same again I'm writing one more thing. Just wait for a moment. See the difference, beta. See the magic. If I differentiate this with respect to radius, what will be my answer? 4 by 3 pi d by dr of r cube. D by dr of r cube. So what is the differentiation of r cube I will get? This time variables are same na, so no redifferentiation. So I will get this answer, 4 by 3 pi into 3r square. This is my answer. 3 cancel and final answer will be 4 pi r square. This is the rate of change of volume with respect to radius. This is the rate of change of volume with respect to time. This is the magic of the differentiation with respect to whom you are differentiating. I hope this funda is clear. This was not asked in the question. I have just explained it to you that what is this the different variables is creating, right? So now one more application is there of differentiation. I hope this is clear. Give me thumbs up if it is clear. Give me thumbs up. Next you will be having the application of differentiation. Application of differentiation. Application of differentiation. Class is also about to end, so I will not take too much time. I will just wrap up it fast so that question we can do in the next class, and in the next class we will start with the integration, right? So very important application and it will be utilized so many times. This is the application that I'm going to tell you is very, very important. Let's say this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Let's say this is the line I'm having, right? In this line, beta, in this line, I have formed, let me write this A, B, C. If you clearly see here, this AC is parallel to which axis? X-axis. Your AC is parallel to which axis? X-axis. And your BC is parallel to which axis? Y-axis. So that is why for AC, I can write this AC length I'm writing delta x. Why I'm writing beta delta x? Because it is along x-axis, parallel to x-axis. Since your BC is parallel to which axis? Y-axis. So that is why what should I write it? I should write it delta means change, delta y, and let's say this angle is theta. Now this angle is with which length it is making? AC, and AC is parallel to x-axis. So can I say this line is making an angle theta with x-axis? Indirectly, if it is making with this, imagine if I extend this line, what will happen? If I extend this line, this is my angle. If I extend it, so this is also theta. This is also theta. This will also be theta. This theta, everyone here it is theta, right? And this theta and tan theta of this, and tan theta is, everyone know, opposite by adjacent, and that is delta y upon delta x. And this tan theta is known as a slope. This tan theta is known as slope of the line, or slope, and slope m I'm writing. So I'm not drawing this side. Okay, I'll draw till here. Is it okay to everyone? I hope this is clear to everyone. This angle is clear, right? Or I'm just removing it also. Just making it like this, dotted line, so that you won't get confused. My actual line is only AC. My actual line is only AC, beta. My actual line is only AC. How much angle it is making? With x-axis theta. Theta. So you might have seen ramps. Ramp in hospital you have seen now, or flyovers, right? They are inclined. Sometimes we say that they are very slopey, steep slope. Slope word we use. So what is the meaning in physics in slope? Slope means we have to calculate theta with whom? Horizontal and tan of theta of it tells us the slope, right? So you will say, sir, why you have told us this here? Because for a straight line, finding the slope is very easy. For a straight line, finding the slope is very easy. But for this curve, let's say if some random curve is given like this. If somebody have given you curve like this, now is it a straight line? No, sir, it is not a straight line, beta. How will you find the slope of this graph? So, beta, let me tell you this magic. For example, if you want to find the slope here, what do you have to do? You have to draw a tangent here. You have to draw a tangent here. The moment you have drawn a tangent here, what would have happened? What would have happened? This is your theta now. Now, is there any delta by here? Is there any delta x here? No. So how will I find this tan theta? So beta, let me tell you. This is the thing who tell us the slope at point A. Tan theta will be given by dy upon dx. This is your slope of curve. Slope of curve. So this is the biggest application of differentiation. If somebody is asking to find the slope of any curve, how do we find? By the help of differentiation. So why we were studying beta differentiation? To find the slope of the any graph. Line slope, with the help of diagram you can find, but for the curve you cannot find. For that, if you know the equation of the curve, by differentiating, what will you get? Slope. Okay, before I go, just very simple question I will ask. If a curve is given by y is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 5, find the slope of the curve at x is equal to 1 meter. Find it. Tell me the slope beta of this question. Very simple. Before you leave, just do a very simple question. How will you find? This is the equation. This is a graph. This is a function. Function, dependent, independent. We can make the graph of it. That we will not study. That is the mathematic part. But we can find what? Slope. So how do we find the slope? How will you find the slope? What do we have to do beta to find the slope? Tell me fast. If I want to find the slope of this graph, tell me everyone, what do I have to do to find the slope? What do I have to do beta to find the slope? I have to do this. dy upon dx. Right? Everyone know how to differentiate it. Beta, everyone tell me what is the differentiation of this with respect to x. What will be the? So it will be 4x minus 3. This is my slope. This is my slope. But at what point he is asking beta? At x is equal to 1 meter, what will be my slope? And that will be given by tan of theta, and you can write it dy upon dx. And where is the value of x? X is 1 meter. I am writing in subscript because your slope is also depending upon x now. As x is changing, it keep on changing. So what is the value you will get? 4x, 4 into 1 minus 3. So what is the value of slope you are getting at this point? Tan theta is equal to 1. And at what? And luckily at what value of theta? Tan gives one value, and that is theta is equal to 45 degree. It means at this particular point, the curve is making how much angle with the horizontal axis or x-axis? 45 degree. I hope everyone understood. Give me thumbs up. The slope, the most easiest topic of today class. The slope, give me thumbs up if you understood. Very good, very good. So this is it. Next class we are going to start with the integration, beta. I hope this is clear to everyone. I hope you enjoyed, and then thank you very much. Bye bye, take care, see you. And when you will come in the offline, don't worry, we'll again teach you. This is just not too much we are teaching, only small things we are teaching, right? More elaborative manner, more numericals will do in the offline class. Thank you very much. Bye bye, take care.